Good evening, my viewers. I am here back again to talk to you guys about the Google Meet. Yeah, first of all, what is a Google Meet? A Google Meet is just like a software or application where you can easily have online meetings, lectures, and very many other activities. Yeah. So how can we access Google Meet? Since I've not downloaded the app, I'm going to access it in the Chrome. Yeah, since I didn't download the app, I'm going to access it from the Google Chrome. So when you come to the Chrome and after like logging into your email address or the Gmail is the Google Mail, you come here to the 9 dots, you click, as you have even seen it show that those are the Google Apps. Are you seeing? Yeah, we click there. It's showing the Google Apps. We click the Google Apps there. So why is the Meet? The Meet is here. It uses this icon. So when we open the Google Meet, let's open the Google Meet and we get acquainted to like its future. The problem is that I have some kind of a weak network, but all in all, we must learn and we are definitely going to learn. So this is the Google Meet. This is where the icon you can use for calls, and your call logs are always kept there. But in case you want to start like a new meeting, you come here. You can see here, enter a code or a link. This like if I've opened a meeting, I can pick the link from there and I share it with people who I want them to join, be it on WhatsApp, be it on Facebook. As long as the link have generated it, you enter it in this space and you click join. Now assuming I want to open a new meeting, yeah, I still come here and start a meeting. When you want to create it for later, you create it and you keep sharing the link, telling the people that the meeting will be held on later. Yeah, you tell people that the meeting will be like after a day like this or in an hour like this, or you can even schedule it in a Google Calendar. But if you want to start an instant meeting like immediately, you come and you double click here. As you can see, it's showing that you're joining it. So as you join, you'll be patient as you wait for it to load, and when it loads, automatically the camera will open. But for us, in our case, the camera will not open since we are already using the camera and the microphone in the Camtasia app. So one camera and one microphone cannot operate two applications. But the good thing is we'll live to understand how it actually works and how it's actually always. Yeah, so as you can see, it's even showing microphone in use and our camera is also in use. Yeah, and after it opens, it brings us to this. Now this one is the microphone. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. Yeah, that one is in Google Meet. Here is the camera. Yeah, here is the camera, but we cannot use the camera, and it's saying another app is using your camera. That means we cannot use one camera for two different options. Yeah, but otherwise, if it was active, it was just going to appear like the microphone where we could activate it or deactivate it. Now this one here is sharing the screen, just like you normally do in WhatsApp. You share the screen with other people so that people can see what you're doing actually in your WhatsApp as well. Now this one is sending a reaction, normally in form of emojis, so you can pick from there. Yeah. Now here is raising a hand. If you want to inquire about something, you just don't talk, but you click that thing, then it will show to the person who is hosting you that someone has raised a hand. Yeah, now these three dots, this one is just adjusting the view. Here is the full screen. Here is the open picture in picture. This one is background and effects. Yeah, what you want to appear in your background. Yeah, here is report a problem in case of something you're not understanding about the meeting, or it's a scam meeting. You can use there, or you were insulted in the meeting, you can report to the Google Meet officials there. troubleshooting and help. This one majorly if the network is not so stable, and the settings is here as well. So this red one is where you can end your call. Yeah, you can end your call from the red one. Yeah, you can end your call from this one. You have even seen it showing leave call. Now this one here shows the people that are there in the meeting. If there are 20 people, it will even show 20. It's showing one because I'm the only one in there and I didn't share the link with anyone. Now this one is chat with everyone. Assuming you sent a text from here, it will appear to everyone on the call, and this one has sent a message like this. Now this one are the meeting tools. Yeah, some of the meeting tools. There are actually very many things. Actually, just the tools, the things of raising hands, you get them there. Asking, having an inquiry, you can easily get them there. So guys, thank you very much for your afternoon. I think that is briefly what I can tell you about the Google Meet. Have a wonderful evening. See you in my next video.